right, so I took it off. One nice thing, one consolation, I can actually clean the window and clean this. Maybe even I don't think I have Vaseline, but try to, I don't know, soften it somehow. So this is the screen. I have to put this down on the tripod. Okay, so this is the screen here and the frame. So I'm going to pull out the screen, and I don't know where to put anything. Yeah. So this is intact, which is nice, but that's for the opening, the handle. But I'm going to clean the window and soften this somehow. I don't know what I have. I don't know. I'll figure it out. All right, guys, so I've cleaned everything up, and I'm gonna stop because I have to figure out what I'm doing with this. And also too, it's getting a little late and cool, and the mosquitoes are coming out. So, and I need a place to put this, the frame. It's got to be lying flat. So I need a table. I thought I could do it here on the floor. I probably will, but hopefully on a nice sunny day. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to Google to see how to remove this part. And so if I could make a hole and then buy a patch and patch it and see if that will work instead of the zipper. Because to be quite honest, I really don't care for the zipper portion. So, but the screen will be underneath, and then when you push it open, so this needs to, this piece here, the screen will be in the channel. So, but I think if it had like a 3-inch hole diameter, and then by, I don't know, I have to Google, can you iron fiberglass? Because if you can iron it, then I would just buy an iron-on patch and iron it on, even if I have to do, I probably will have to do both sides to make sure that it's sturdy for otherwise, because if it's not sturdy, this is going to end up ruining it. So I'm for tonight, that's all I'm doing, and I will continue this video once I figure this part out. All right, keep tuned. So this is what I've done, is I cut here, and so now I'm doing this with one hand, and so now this actually comes through and I can close it. So I sewed here just so that it doesn't keep on ripping up. And then what I'm going to do is I have some material. I'm going to make a little flap, and then I'll get Velcro and put Velcro here. So yeah, that's my fix. But I have done this window, and I will do the patch. I have bias tape that, and I'll show you as I'm going, that I'm going to be putting up here. I may put it down the sides too. And then this, and probably not here. I'll show you the original. So this is the original that you zip up, and then you're able to open. But what I don't like about it, and then you zip. But this is all open here, and I don't like that. So if somebody, I'm not saying anybody would, but they can get their hand in here, and I'm sure, well, I guess it would be kind of difficult, but even still, I don't like that being open. So that's why I say I think I'm going to Velcro. So I won't be able to do the bias here. Maybe try Velcro or something, but I'm definitely going to do bias here, bias tape, and we'll see how it goes. So this is the material I bought for I don't know what you call it. So I'm going to cut it and then I'll sew it. I don't have an iron, and everything has to be by hand because I don't have a sewing machine. So it'll be interesting, but I'll show you what it looks like after I have it cut and everything. Another thing I did in the interim was I made this curtain. Instead of using screen, I just put lace. It was actually quite cheap, and have a curtain rod on the inside to keep the bugs out, and it's working great. So now we are going to tackle this window. So first thing, remove it. Alright, so the window's out, so I'm just gotta pull this out, which by the looks of it's going to be quite easy. And then I'll clean up the window frame and get rid of this ugly looking thing. Alright, so I've laid the screen on top, and I'm going to start putting this around. I can't videotape and do it at the same time, so I will show you once I'm done. Alright, so the screen is in, and you can see the edging is all tucked in. So I just now need to cut all the way around. Alright, so there it is. So I think I might sew this on, cut it here, and then sew the patch on instead of trying to do it on the window. Alright, so I haven't put the window up. I am actually going to sew this onto the screen. Alright, so the window's in. This is off. Oh well. It's kind of not hanging very nicely, but I am going to be putting Velcro here. So all I have to do now is cut it. So this is when I wish I had another person with me, but if you look here, I don't know if you can really see, but this one I cut it here. So now this comes through. So, and I did stitch. I said that earlier, I stitched up here. So, I mean, it's not, but for me, personally, I think it looks a lot better than that gray zippered thing. Alright, they are complete. So I just have Velcro. I just gotta grab it. Oh dear. See, again, I need 2 hands. I need 2 hands. Yeah. Well, you got the gist of it. There's Velcro here. And so then I open it up and I can close. And I think I'm going to look for a screen button or a magnet to so if a bug does happen to get in on the other side, it's trapped. And I think it will look fine. I like it a lot better than those gray things. So my next task is the door. I had a friend cut this out, the panel, and I'm going to put carpeting on the inside. The wasps around here are terrible. And I'm going to be using this for storage. And then I plan on making a panel, well, this door because of the handle, just half. But with the other door, I will make a panel. This is my grocery bags and pockets in it to put items. But that won't be until I get to the island. So this, let's see if I can open this one. There we go. This one's easier. There. So, yeah. And that's it. And now, you see, people don't realize that I have a little hole. It kind of blends in. And even just hide the handle. And then again, if I can find buttons or something just to tack. All right. Oh, look at, he's looking through. All right, that's the video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. And I will see you on the next video. This is Wandering Gigi signing off. Bye for now.